Yo, it's Mike with Monkey Fab. So we just added this guy. I like kits. Kits are nice. So we got a DTM kit, which is like the mini, and we have a DT kit, which is the normal kit. And now we have the DTP. I just like think of the P for like power. Because they have these big beefy boys. Like these are the pens, and you know, it's for 12 pens. And these guys handle 25 amps each. So you get 5 of the singles, 5 of the duals, 5 of the 4s, and a set of crimpers, the pens for all that, an extra set of pens, and a set of plugs. So you get it all in one nice kit. You save a little bit of money than if you bought it separately, and that way you have a kit, and when you run low, you can just reorder the stuff that you're low on. So I like kits. So check it out on the website. Appreciate you guys' business. It is the Deutsch DTP kit, 25 amps per pen, boys.